Jean Marsh, it's a happy occasion for you because the friend with whom you co-invented Upstairs Downstairs, Eileen Atkins, is in the film.
Yes, that's right. That's really why I'm here.
Is that still running in the States? It must have been what Arthur Daly calls a good little earner, that.
Well, no, I don't think it's running there now. It comes up from time to time. Yes, it's a good little earner, not a good big earner, a good little one.
After that, you did 9 to 5, an American television series. Is working in American telly much more pressurized than over here?
Much, much more. They rewrite every single day. Every time you rehearse, if you don't get laughs and people don't like it, they rewrite instantly. And you don't know what you're going to say until about 10 seconds before you say it.
So that must have been a fairly ghastly experience.
It had its rewards, like financial, and I liked working with the other actors, but it was a lot of pressure. I wouldn't want to do it again.
I read somewhere you'd become actually physically allergic to Los Angeles, but that was a long time ago.
No, that's the British press. I have allergies. I'm allergic to all sorts of things, all the most common things like dust and dry rot, and it sprung up a lot in Los Angeles. But I have it here too. I'm not allergic to Los Angeles.
Now you're back to do Return to Oz, and of course you have a cottage in Oxfordshire anyway. Is this a prequel or a sequel or neither?
No, it is a sequel. There were about 12 stories written by Mr. Baum, and The Wizard of Oz was one of them, and this is, I think, an amalgam of 2 episodes, and it's now just going to be called Oz, not Return to Oz.
And Nicol Williamson's in it with you?
Yes, we're the 2 baddies. I'm the Wicked Witch and he's the Wicked Demon.